had to cut our trip short kasi lakas na ng wildfire dun sa area. Ang kapal na ng mga, ang tawag yan? Abo, ashes. Yan siguro, magpakita tayo ng mga clips from our trip in Yosemite Valley kahit sobrang yellowish ng mga footage. So habang nagbabiyahe kami papuntang Lake Tahoe, panoodin nyo muna yung trip sa Yosemite Valley. See you in Lake Tahoe! Ayan, ay, solid ang init. So balis na kami, pero hindi muna kami dadiretso sa Yosemite dahil pupunta pa kami sa church para mag-record for Sunday. So serve muna bago pasyal. We'll see you there. Hi, good morning. Nandito na kami sa Fresno. We'll be on our way to Yosemite National Park. Yay! Then, hindi kami nakapag-update kagabi. Yung isa dyan tulog. So, ayan. Kuha lang kami ng breakfast.
Let's
Coffee.
Coffee.
From Dutch Brothers again. Bakit Dutch Brothers? Kasi walang Dutch Brothers sa Los Angeles. Meron lang siya sa NorCal, Northern California and Las Vegas. So ayan, shoutout nga pala kay Kevin Abuyen, yung kababata ko sa Caloocan na tiga Redding. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin sa Dutch Brothers. Yan, Dutch Brothers.
Yes! So guys, yung in-order po namin is the keto cold brew with sugar-free chocolate macadamia and sugar-free white chocolate. Dahil yan po ang favorite ko.
So ayan po, kakatapos lang namin magpa-COVID test because we're going to another national park, but this time we're going with, sino kasama natin?
Sina Pastor.
Pastor Larsen and his family and Pastora Mary and her family. So it's good na magpa-test muna lahat para join namin yung trip namin. Hi, my loves. Ito, may mga kasama na po kami ngayon. Hello, everyone!
Camera pala yun!
Hi! Hi, everyone!
Kunwari pa ba tayo?
Hello po! Hi! Grabe, wala pong filter yan. I think may sunog po. Hello!
Vlog ba yan? Vlog ka na, my loves!
Welcome to my vlog. No filter needed. Solid. Ang ganda ng kulay.
Hello, how do I zoom this?
You can do it, Marcus!
Good morning! Happy Sunday! Grabe yung weather. It's been smoking. Ashes are falling. Look at that ashes. Kasi may apat na sunog forest fire. Solid. Ito po yung mga abo.
Everyone, so we're now leaving Yosemite a day earlier because there's a lot of fires going on around the area and there's a big fire 100 miles away from us.
It's 4,000 acres?
4,000 acres. So it's raining ashes literally, and it's only 11 a.m. right now, but it feels like it's about to go dark.
Hi, my loves. so beautiful. We're here in Mono Lake. We're 2 hours away from Lake Tahoe. Dito pumapasok yung GoPro Hero 9 eh. Ayaw kasi akong bilan ng misis ko. Tinag ko na nga, shinare ko na nga. Kunwari accidentally. Pero, ay, mutik pa mahulog yung may loves, bibilang mo na talaga. Hello, good morning! Happy Sunday to all. Then, breakfast na po kami. Ganyan po, kung ang mga nagtitipid pero gusto mag-travel, magbaon po. Magbaon, magluto sa bahay or magluto kung nasan man kayo. Kain! Sarap ng corn beef. Kung alam mo sana hindi mo mahanap sa labas. Right?
Anong brand to?
Before. Yan, ang ganda. We're here in north of Lake Tahoe, outside Lake Tahoe, in Taki. Here in Donors Summit Bridge. Ganda ng bridge, no? Thank you po kay Tita Vanel for telling us this place.
Sino nakababa?
Careful. Oops, careful.
Madulas.
Nadapa po ako. Vlog pa more. End of train. Yan, so it's almost 6 p.m. We're trying to settle down here by the beach. It's Sunday and we gotta worship. Amen? Hindi mawawala. Kahit na may bakasyon, kailangan mag-church. It's accessible right now because kahit nasa bakasyon ka, you can attend church because it's all online. So, yeah, mag-relax muna kami dito and magbababad sa presensya ng Panginoon.